So this is Josh making his gate. We're waiting for Faith's help over here.
Come on, Faith.
Come on, we want to go out to dinner. Hurry it up.
Faith, I need your help.
What are you doing? You're just sitting there quiet? Look at her. She looks like she's dumbfounded or something. She's not moving or anything. All right, come on. The video's going to end because my phone's dying.
What kind of help?
Whatever help he needs with that. You're going to hold it while he mounts it or something. So Daddy Josh made this wood gate with some free wood he found on the internet. And he painted it to match the house. And we have it here for the dogs because the dogs like to run upstairs and destroy everything. So they stand in here with the tile. Right, Mayhem and Gracie and Kenny.
I'm gonna look at the other gate right quick.
So
I think
he's trying to figure it out.
looks bigger than the other one.
Oh.
How are the kitties gonna get
It
down?
looks the same. It still comes out a little bit.
My
Yeah.
black kitties?
All right, I'm ready for Faith.
All right, let's get this gate done. It's gonna be pretty awesome with these dogs so they can't run up there anymore. Right, Faith?
You mean business when you take your shoes off?
Yes, we do. We mean business in this house.
Sure. Didn't it? All right.
Ow!
Seriously?
Every time. You have to hold it here soon, okay? So,
Holding it.
you are. All right.
No, it needs to be up off the ground or else it'll hit the ground.
Okay.
It will.
Why are you using those?
You'll see. Don't ask questions, just help.
No.
Just hold it right there for a second.
He's guilty.
She is guilty. They all are guilty. These dogs
Stay still. Do not move.
are all guilty. Oh, they're so calm. They're never so calm. Such good doggies.
Gosh!
What do you do?
Messed it up.
Did he?
Guilty.
Guilty as charged. Guilty as charged. Ma'am, guilty as charged. Yes, you are.
Hold it there. Don't move it.
Back to the gate.
Don't lean on it. Don't push it.
Oh no, he means business here.
Don't
Means
push.
business, Faith.